Hi everyone. In the last video we learn how to add images and links. But real websites also have lists. Menus, steps, features all are lists. So today let's learn HTML lists. Very simple step by step. So the first question is what is a list? A list is a just a group of items. For example, shopping list, to-do list, steps to cook food. HTML also has a list. So first let's create an ordered list. Unordered lists means order does not matter. So let me create first. So I have created unordered list. So here UL means unordered list, li means list item. So each li is one item in the list, and the this list shows bullet points. So in the screen in the browser you can see item 1 and item 2. It's showing the bullet points. So another list is unordered list. So now let's create unordered list. Unordered list means orders matter. So instead of UL, we will do OL. So OL means ordered list. The browser shows numbers. This is useful for steps or instruction. So in the browser you can see the item 1 is 1, item 2 is 2. So lists are made of two parts, UL or OL. UL and OL is the parent and LI is the child. Without LI, list cannot work. Think like your UL or OL is the box and LI items go inside the box. So you don't need to remember everything. Just remember this logic. Practice makes it easy. In the next video, we will learn HTML tables, rows and columns. Very useful for data. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, ask in comment. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you very much.